Yeah, you're absolutely right, Steve. We actually just got done talking with the Lincoln Fire Department, and they said what you see around me is the worst damage in the area right now. We're outside the Travel Lodge here in Lincoln, and where I'm standing is the outdoor pool. However, all of this debris that you see is from the roof of their outdoor pool. So you got to take a look at this video because it's absolutely crazy. These massive wind gusts tearing off the roof, and it even hit a car. Now, parts of the roof were even hanging from some power lines. And the owners of the lodge, they told me no one was hurt, but even their front door was broken due to these powerful winds. And down in Derry, around 8:30 this morning at the Derry Country Club Estates, a wind gust blew a tree down, crushing 3 different cars, and cleanup crews say there are trees in the area and they are old and very susceptible to being blown down. And they also advise anybody, if they're able to park away from those trees, to try to do so. But we're actually going to be talking to the Lincoln Fire Department at 5 and 6 o'clock, so make sure you tune in for that and for some more safety tips, especially here close to the White Mountains. Live in Lincoln, Troy Lynch, WMUR News 9.